In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an epic in Jira 2025. Whether you're tidying up your project or removing something that's no longer relevant, handling your epics effectively can keep your project organized and efficient. Let's dive into each step, making sure you're confident about managing your Jira workspace. Begin by heading over to your Jira homepage. This is your starting point, your control center in navigating through various features and tasks within Jira. Once you're there, you'll notice a navigational panel usually located on the left side of your screen. Look for the Projects tab. This is where all your projects are neatly lined up, ready for you to select and manage. Click on the Projects tab, and from there, find the specific project that contains the epic you're aiming to delete. Simply click on the project's name to open it up. Now that you're inside your selected project, it's time to manage your issues. Direct your focus towards the Issues tab, which is generally accessible from the top menu or side panel within your project. This section will display all the issues associated with your project, including epics, which are essentially a collection of related issues grouped together to facilitate better management and tracking. Find the epic you wish to delete within the Issues tab. This might require a bit of browsing, especially if you have numerous epics. Once located, click on the epic to open its details page. This page is designed to provide an overview of all relevant information pertaining to the epic, including any tasks or stories linked to it. In the top right corner of the epic's details page, you'll see an ellipsis icon, also known as the three dots menu. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several action options. From this list, select the delete option. It's important to be certain at this stage that you intend to remove the epic, as this action could affect other related issues and stories. Once you've made the decision to delete, a confirmation dialog will appear. This is Jira's way of ensuring that you absolutely want to proceed with the deletion. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct epic and that you're ready to remove it entirely from your project. If everything checks out, go ahead and confirm your choice by clicking delete again. By following these steps carefully, you can efficiently manage your project spaces and ensure that only relevant current information is retained in your Jira project. I hope this guide has been clear and straightforward, giving you the confidence to delete epics as needed. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more of our tutorials for additional Jira tips and tricks.